What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a big day. Today we're picking up the M4 from the body shop. We dropped that car off in end of November and now it's finally done. I know last video I told you guys that that car is going to be all completed. It is all done. They got it fully repainted and I'm very excited to finally pick it up. That car has been a long overdue project for the past 2 years that I've had it. So I picked it up 2 years ago in April from the auction to rebuild it and kind of just see what I can do with it, given that it's a frozen paint matching the E92 M3. Also, this isn't my first M3 that I've built or an F8X chassis that I've had. I did have a 2016 M3 competition that I ended up building, and I went through like multiple different stages with that M3. It was a manual. I bought it originally in 2018 for my 21st birthday for myself, all by myself, and I wrapped it blue, yellow, pink. Pink was the final color that we did. I also dropped some photos down in the video as well, just so that way you guys have that. It's honestly one of my favorite builds that I did. I did have it short-lived and I sold it after 6 months of finally having the car all done. When I did end up showcasing it at WEC Fest, I think it was like 2020, I believe it was, or 21, I don't know. It was a long time ago.
Say he wanna fight me, but he letting niggas hold him back. I would say I'm ballin', but your bitch already told you that. Chopper got them dancing, you do not wanna get know your clap. Beat your ass like open hats. What's it gonna take to get a milli? Pop a pill and turn the VIC, I'm getting silly. Whole club turn the VIP when we step in up.
Fast forward 4 years, right? But today, let's go ahead and get on the road. Let's go and pick up the M4 and let's see how it turned out. Guys, this is the traffic that you have to deal with in Seattle. There's accidents every damn day. And this is actually on the way to my work too. It always gets packed right here, always. See what time we're gonna get here. It's about 28 minutes. Normally this drive would probably take me, I'd say, 15 minutes max. All right guys, so I went into R&R, finally paid the invoice, and we're just waiting for them to pull up so that way we can get the car out of the warehouse. I'm gonna do a final build reveal of how much money I've spent on the car, including purchasing it, and I would want to see you guys guess and think how much money I am into this car as of right now, since it's all completed and basically back on the road again. I'm kind of curious to find out myself how much money total I've invested into this car. I'm probably looking at one of the biggest bills so far for it anyway, so let me know what you guys think. Comment down below how much money you think I've put into the car total with purchase price. Oh, let's go. Wow, guys, they detailed it too. This thing looks sick. Let's go. Yeah, don't mind like the 1,000 warnings I have coming on in here. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Nope, definitely not calling nobody. All right, let's get this thing on out. All right, guys, I just pulled it out from the shop and this thing looks sick. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and reveal the M4 to you guys after it's been fully done, repainted. This is the first time I'm seeing it out in the direct sunlight, so first time for you guys as well. But the car is clean. Everything is all paint matched, perfect. I don't see any issues with it. No more damage on the quarter panels. Guys, Remember when there was damage right here on the quarter panel? Not no more. Not no more. It goes hard. What do you think?
That's freaking amazing.
You like it?
I love it.
It looks so good. They even went ahead and like detailed it. Did a little bit of cleaning, but obviously I still got my own detailing left to do on it. I got to install the fender liners all around. Definitely do the alignment, and even with these like Icon rep headlights, it looks really good. It looks really freaking good. Looks amazing. I can't wait to start driving this. They went ahead and paint matched the carbon hood, so they started it right here on the quarter. They lined it all up, and they gave me the option. They said it would look a lot more better if it was lined up directly with the end of the fender right there, so that way it has like a linear line and comes up right here, and I think it looks really good. They did a really good job. Obviously with these aftermarket hoods, they don't like always fit right 100%, but they did a good job. They adjusted the fitment, everything looks fine. I'm just missing an emblem. They went ahead and also painted my lower grills in gloss black. That's another thing that I did on my older F80 as well. When I brought it to them, they went ahead and put my lip on, and they basically painted the lower grills, so I made sure they were all gloss black. It just has a much more vibrant, better look to it overall, and I think it looks really well. So now we got not only one frozen M car, we got two, and the E92 is right there. So let's go ahead and get on the road. We're gonna go to the DMV or the DOL, and we're gonna go ahead and get some plates for this thing, get it all registered on up finally. After 2 freaking years, guys, 2 freaking years the car sat. We're gonna go ahead and finally get it registered, and let's go ahead and get some clips of the car as a montage.
Fast cars, my life like Need for Speed. Yeah, I'm the blast at Mars, watch these tires squeeze. Need to count about 20 bands a week. Semi-automatic stutter when it speak. Need allowance where I sweep the streets. Feel like Tupac screaming thug life to my enemies. I tried to leave that life alone, yeah. Call me D-Way cause I'm back to ballin' with the heat. Rockstar, my lifestyle OD.
Guys, the cars together just line up back to back, goes crazy. Let me show you guys real quick. So we got the F82 M4 and then the E92 M3. Both go hard as Jesus, guys. I am so freaking happy this car is finally done. Finally on the road. And bro, I swear, the gold calipers with like the red interior, the white cage, I don't know, everything is just so sick about it. It looks really good. And I'm very excited. I am gonna PPF the whole entire car. We're gonna go ahead and drop it off to our buddies, Austin Wraps. He's gonna go ahead and do full PPF on the whole entire car. I mean, how could you not? We literally just got the whole car painted. We're gonna go ahead and make sure the paint is protected 100%. We definitely need to get another wash on that car as well. And then I gotta send that one to the body shop so that way we can get the front bumper, the hood, and the fenders. Honestly, I might just repaint the whole car just to make sure it's solid. There's a couple of dents on that car that we definitely need to take care of. And with frozen paint, unfortunately, you can't just do like a PDR or anything like that. You have to get it repainted, and that's the only thing that sucks. But guys, tell me what you guys think. This thing just goes super hard. I am very happy that they finally got it all done. And I don't know, words just can't describe how happy I'm to have both of my cars finally done after a long freaking time. All right, guys, first drive in the E9, or whoops, I almost called it the E92 M3. It's the F82 M4. Obviously, my seatbelt's gonna ding this entire time because the seatbelt's all locked up. I tried to squeeze it, see if I can like clip it in, but for some reason it won't do it. It used to do it before, but I'm gonna see if I can try to press it in there. Damn, bro, the seatbelt thing is annoying. Maybe it's because I got fat or something. All right, guys, I finally got the seatbelt hooked. This thing sounds so freaking good, too. I definitely need to put some catless downpipes on this thing, and catless downpipes, and I think it sounds good already. Oh, what the hell was that? And I think it sounds good already with the FI exhaust. I think it sounds killer. It just brings me so much joy knowing that I'm finally back in a F8X chassis. It's finally done. I can finally start driving. I think the only last thing that we have left to do on this car is to replace the exhaust hangers, because the exhaust does hang a tad bit low. And obviously the curtain airbag somewhere over there. But when that's all replaced, we can go ahead and finally start driving this thing and finally be back on the road. And then we'll be having two M's that are frozen, cruising side by side. My girl's cruising with me right now in the E92 M3. And honestly, I've never heard the E92 M3 from behind me, but it sounds really freaking good just hearing it. Let's hear this thing. Punch it! I guess not. All right, guys, this is where she's gonna sit for a little bit until we go ahead and finally register this thing and get the exhaust situation all figured out. I definitely am for sure not gonna be driving this car until I get the full PPF done on this whole thing. And just because I can't risk what I spent just right now to repaint this whole entire freaking car. Damn, the line be crazy. I'm gonna be waiting here for like, I don't even know, like a solid, how long do you think, 20, 30 minutes? Probably. God damn, this thing wraps around all the way over there. All the way there. Finally got the plates to the whip. All right, guys, we finally got the car registered, and now we just got to get some insurance for it, and then PPF is next, and then it'll be finally on the road. BBS is gone. The full exhaust is gonna be insane. I can't wait to finally put catless downpipes on it and see how she sounds. Like I said, I appreciate my girl for having all the patience and letting me modify these cars, buy these cars, do all this crazy stuff, and spend stupid amounts of money on these cars. As she knows that I'm a huge car enthusiast, huge fan of modifying these cars, and it's just a passion that I have been driven by ever since I was like 15 or 16 years old. And I honestly think it was probably even way before that, when my parents had their own automotive shop and they were able to work on cars, and I was really surrounded by a lot of that, and I think that kind of influenced me up until that point. And then I was a huge nerd, video gaming, middle school, high school, and then once when I was like 16ish, whatever, I started to seeing like Subarus, STIs, and Evos, and all these other cars, and it really brought me closer to them. So I'm very, very fortunate to finally have my cars up and running, and one more car is remaining left to get fixed, and that is my 2007 Subaru STI. I dropped the transmission off, I think it was somewhere around September or October, down in Medford or Bend, Oregon, and I still have no updates yet. The transmission is completely grenaded. On that car, they told me that the tranny had no fluid in it, so whoever I had do the work on it, they basically, I feel like deep down they kind of screwed me, given that they knew that I was spending so much money. They're like, oh hey, maybe we can wiggle some more money out of this guy. So I am getting a full trans rebuild on that. That is the only thing stopping me from driving that car. And besides from that, maybe that'll need some body work too. Front bumper, rear bumper, and just needs a really deep clean. But up until then, the M4 content, M3 content will be crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button. Comment down below what you'd like to see as well. And hopefully we can do some back roads POVs of the M3 driving. Hopefully we should have some good weather. As you guys know, we live in Seattle, and Seattle rain is just unbearable. Like, it's non-stop. So I can't drive this car with 4S's on windy roads. It's just gonna be a nightmare. But let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
This love you're giving me is new, I don't remember it. Something that I thought I'd never ever get. And I done caught off on my hoes, yeah I settled it. Cause truth is, you get me right, you're just the one I'm better with. I said, fuck these hoes, that's that dead shit. Been tired of hopping on and hopping to the next bitch.